This is what happens when you're trying to balance everything. Okay, so clearly I had a mishap. What I wanted to do, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup Basket time. What I wanted to do is kind of review certain things, but now I don't even know what I had. Well, let me go ahead and just throw things where they belong, and we will start from scratch, okay? I mean, I guess that was actually pretty easy. I have been using the e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50. I do like it. Someone mentioned that they wanted swatches, so I'm just going to do like a few little things because it is a good idea. This isn't like one of those silicone ones. See, it's definitely more like skin colored. So if you're a darker complexion than I am, I don't really know. It says it's a universal tint, but I don't really know how well that would work, considering when I put this on, I feel like I look paler. But it does have SPF, so that is also probably why. I'm just gonna, to get this out of the way, grab the Ilia mascara. I mean, it's fine. I liked it at first, but now that I'm using it, I'm just not a huge fan of this these little like stingy, stumpy, prickly, that's the word, prickly bristles. I feel like I poke myself in the eye, and I'm not a fan of the way it smells, to be completely honest. Let's just go ahead and get brows out of the way. This is my Anastasia brow. Is it Brow Wiz? Is that what it's called? What's this even called? I use this for this guy, for the spoolie. And sometimes if I'm not going to put the dip brow pomade in my brow, I will use this pencil, as old as it is, just to outline like the top line and the inner part of my brow, just to like fill it out a bit. I will be grabbing this again, the Light Illusion from Flower Beauty. I have it in Natural Beige M1. I love this foundation. I'm just going to put a little pump there. And I do mix it with the Rodial Soft, what is it called? Soft Focus Glow Drops. And I literally just like mix them together. That is way too much even for my hand. And now I don't have a rag or anything. So this isn't really a good representation of what it looks like, but you can kind of see there. It's just, I love the glow drops because it does give it like a soft focus glow look. It's very glowy, and the Light Illusion from Flower Beauty is a slightly dewier foundation. It's not terribly dewy, so don't worry. I did like using this guy. I'm going to switch it up just to kind of compare them and use the Smashbox color corrector. It's the dark one, which is just in orange, like legit orange. But you can see it kind of blends out a lot there. Okay, I'm going to grab the eyeshadow primer from Milani. What else? Oh, this is the Brow Gal from Tanya Crooks. It's just like with brow hairs, supposedly, but whatever. It's just a brow gel. Nothing special. I'm not a huge fan. I feel like it does not keep my brows in place very well. This is my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade that I've been trying to use up for 20,000 years. I am trying to use up this bronzer and this bronzer. I think I'm going to stick with the powder bronzer this go round. I've also on days when, so I'm trying to put on more makeup during the week. I have been going like completely makeupless, which is perfectly fine, and it was great for my skin. However, I feel like it is just making me feel better about myself when I get ready a little bit. You know, it just makes me feel better. So even if I just use the Flower Beauty foundation and glow drops over the primer, of course, and that's it, I'll put on mascara, and if I'm getting crazy, I'll put on a little bit of bronzer, and I'll actually put this through the crease of my eye, my eyelid. So I am liking that. So I'm going to keep that as a bronzer. Let's talk about this guy. I decided to go ahead and declutter this. This is the Metal Shock eyeshadow from Essence. This is in the color Stars and Stories. It is super pretty, but honestly, I don't know. See, I don't want to swatch it because I'll want to keep it. It's so pretty. But on my lid, it's just not enough. And it might be because my eyes are slightly hooded. It is really pretty. But again, I have a million other shadows that I want to move and work through. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to just grab these two. This is Pink Champagne and Brook from Buxom. These are just glosses. I have a little bit of each left to finish. So I'm just going to pull those. I will be keeping those in my makeup basket. So what are we going to do now? I have bronzer. Let's talk blush. I really didn't use any blush last week. Well, the last couple of weeks. Did I? I don't even remember. I think I'll grab Cabana Boy. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab Cabana Boy from the Balm. And I did use this guy, what is this called? Mary Luminizer. Oh God, it is just so pretty. I used this, but you know what? I used this as a highlighter and I wasn't such a fan of the way the powder highlight looked on my skin. But I did use it as an inner corner highlight. It was really pretty. And then like, I didn't mind it on my skin. I just wasn't like a huge fan of it on my skin. So we'll have to see. Oh, I will be grabbing the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. I need to actually finish that up. I thought I finished this. Haha, I must have lied. Glam Glow Nude Glow. This is the Glam Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And I don't use this all over my face, but I will put this on over my makeup, on like my cheekbones, and then blend it in with a beauty blender, and then use that part of the beauty blender on like my forehead and nose and chin and stuff. So I will grab that because I need to finish that up. Mars from Colored Rain. I'm going to grab that. I think I'll grab the Flower Beauty and Honey Nude again. And now we're just talking eyes. So last makeup basket, I grabbed this guy. God, it's so beautiful. From Raw Beauty Christy and Pure. I did not dabble into this very much at all, but I have grabbed this a few times. So I'm going to be putting it back. And this is going to be something that I want to use up. This is Tarte Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette in 2020. I don't think I'll finish it in 2020, but I just want to use it up as much as possible because I can't imagine that I should really be keeping this past next December. I don't expect to finish these guys. This one broke all on its own and it broke my heart. And that's kind of why I'm like, I need to start using these. I love this color and I love this color as like a one and done kind of look. So I'm going to grab this and use this. Oh, my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. I love this, guys. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to grab that. So just so you see, I think this was limited edition as well. Look how stunning. God, guys. And I kind of been thinking of this one. Oh, this is the Nude Light by Huda Beauty. Oh, I could grab the Persona. So pretty. Okay, this is the Persona Identity palette. I think I'm going to grab the Nude Light by Huda Beauty just because I have been kind of fiending for this color right here. It is just so pretty. Oh, maybe if I showed you guys, I wonder if it'll even show how beautiful that is. Well, that's what I'm going to grab. Okay. Oh, I forgot. This guy is Painterly from the from MAC. It's one of the pro longwear paint pot things. So I'm going to actually grab this for days that I actually care about my eye makeup look. It just kind of cancels out all the veins and coloration in my lids. Anything else? I think I'm going to grab this guy, Oil Slick from Butter London. This is another item that I am posting in my Finish 21 products by end of 2021. I had this in another color, maybe Glazing or something, and it was just absolutely gorgeous. And this guy, and that guy, like, oh my God, totally, look how gorgeous, guys. I can't even think because everything is so pretty. Totally dried up. So this is another product that I may have to get rid of at the end of the year. So I just want to kind of use this as much as possible. So I'm going to grab that. Put that in there. And I think that is it. So this is my makeup basket. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of the same products, like I said, you know, the primer, the foundation, some of the lip products and primers, again, concealers, things that I am wanting to use up. I'm also going to grab this CoverGirl concealer because I've actually been wearing this on days when I am like dropping the kids off at school or daycare, and or you know, just not doing makeup at all in the morning but don't want to look completely dead. So I am just going to grab that. And I think that's it. Kind of boring, but you know, I really didn't use much this past week, but we will see. Maybe I should grab a color. I'm going to grab this guy, No Stoppin', from Oma Beauty. This is a black-owned beauty, black-owned makeup brand. Look how pretty. Oh my God. Gorgeous. I love, love, love the formula of these. It's amazing. So that'll be nice. It can just kind of mix it up a little bit. So this is my makeup basket. These 2 eye palettes. And that is the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the description box, in the comments down below. You can see I'm totally distracted. I haven't eaten, guys, and it's like noon. But I was trying to get work done and edit. I actually worked out. I'm trying to live my life right and declutter things that I'm not using or loving. So let me know in your comment down below, what is your favorite beauty product? What was your favorite beauty product from 2020? And is there something you're already using that you're anticipating being your favorite now, or anything you really recommend? Comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.